Bitty Boo's first time in the snow. What do you think, Boo? What do you think? I don't think she... Turn around. Guys, look! You guys gotta look, turn around, Brian! Look, turn around! Jesse, look! I'm gonna pee my pants!
These are my biggest pants!
Be careful, boys, be careful! Look it! Jesse, look! Yes! He bent over and his thing went brip! Jacob, be careful! Turn around, show Jake. I know! Be careful! Boys, be careful, please.
There's a draft back
Jacob, be careful!
there. Come here.
Jacob's on the top of that mountain over there. You can't even see me so far. Jake, wave!
Look at Bitty here, a little fuzz.
Jake, wave! Wave!
Wave!
Barely see him out there at the
Whoa,
distance.
she fell.
Oh. Jess, Jess, be careful! Jesse, grab the tree. Where's Jake? Guys, don't go too far. It's gonna get dark. No, can you imagine coming down that in the dark?
It's not going to be dark like that.
They're gonna be able to see me. Be careful!
How do my biggest pair of pants rip?
It's so fun. Oh, baby, no, cold. Don't go far, no!
I have my phone.
Guys, wave! Wave to the camera! What? Wave! I can't even see him so far.
Zoom in.
I can't help.
Do this with the fingers.
Do not go far!
Be careful of your Clorox.